Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going for a little street ride. It's a bit rainy. You can see on the ground there. Like in the car. Yeah, look at the water. Close up there. Pretty dark skies. But we're going to be getting a little some better street clips, you know. Gotta get the helmet on too. Safety first. And we're going to go for a little ride. So let's get into it. Okay, let me just put you guys on right now. Alright, let's just one last thing and we'll be on our way. Let's see. So, quick little scooter check. You got MV Diamond hollow core wheels, you know, MV Diamond fork, heist bars, sacrifice grips, NV force clamp, NV headset, vital grip tape, Prodigy street deck. Took the box ends out and just put on a random axle I found from something, and yeah, that's my setup. That's what I'm gonna be riding. We're gonna be scared and jump into here. Okay. So I'm gonna go. Oh wait, I need a clip on my helmet. That's what I need to do. I need to put safety first. Did it? Go for a little ride. A little mountain. Nose mountain. Quick little app. And oh, cross. Try bar. I've been practicing my bars, guys. Trying to get a bit better. Not the best of them. As you'll probably see in all my videos, I don't really do bars. So I'm gonna be doing them a bit often. A bit more often than normal. So just did a quick little bar here. Damn, second. Let's try another one. There we go, got it. Oh, we're gonna. Oh, damn. Ah. Sit back down. Get back on the grind. So, comment down below how your day's been so far. Oh, I see something we can hit. Ooh, little transfer. Abominable kids. Do not like them. Indians saying the N-word. I'm saying that because I'm not assuming they're Indian. I know they're Indian. They literally told me. And so yeah, they say the N-word a lot. Like, I don't even say my name. hold up there, but like him. Yeah. Comment down below which camera angle I should use. This one, which is camera angle 1, to film you all the time. Hold up. This one, to get like a cool bars view, kinda, which is camera angle 2, or this one. This one, which is camera angle 3. It's a little less bouncy, but I like to know, because, you know, I like doing this. I like trying to see this on it over years. Yeah, with that, comment also your best trick. She's like no grip. I got no grip on these Air Forces, man. Skate park for a bit. So I'm recording like that. But yeah, no, I don't know what I feel about it. So I record videos, but like I don't really do any tricks in it. But I'm good. Excuse me. Alright, let's go. We're gonna ride. I think we're nearly at the location. Not there. Oh. Nearly at the pit stop. Take a little bit of the back road. Haven't done many dips in this. I'm a park rider, so don't do any street tricks. Which I was sick. With that, I was not waxed. You know what? Over here. That's where I want to go. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think let's go back. Let's get a little bit of ball. I don't want to hit anything because I'm alright. This one's down. I like that. That don't feel right. So we're gonna go quickly. Hey! I didn't go well. Okay, I messed that up. I messed that up somehow. Ow. I stacked it. That's what stack is. I will try ball here. Okay, maybe not that. We'll do Kookaloo behind. And we'll hit a. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. Okay. I know what that was. I think that was like double throw ball. And I was like, dang. Just practicing my balls. Do you ball like that or this? This is a third ball. Mario Kart? Where? Where's the Mario Kart?
Can you switch? Do you like Mario Kart? I think it's annoying why are you wearing that shirt?
Oh no, I just got it.
My helmet's like, does your helmet ever fall down like this? Yes.
That's fine.
That always happens.
Who has the ramp?
Huh?
Who has the ramp?
Golfing?
Is he here?
No. I bet you he is.
Let's go ask if he can play.
He's probably not here.
Taylor? Catch. That catch was nasty. Is he here? Kickless whip. Nah. I can ride butter, but I can't kickless. I don't know. I just can't get the motion. Oh crap, my bad. I haven't. I can do the motion. Well, not the motion. I can't really do it again. I haven't tried though.
I saw you haven't put any videos on.
Yeah, I haven't.
Am I close to Taylor?
Let me see. Let me see again.
Am I close?
Really? Pretty. Oh my God.
Please don't do that. You're gonna rust your bearings.
It's not like that would do anything.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Wait, where's your friend?
My friend's not here. He went somewhere.
Wait,
Oh, I hit my phone. Damn. Oh, that's a new line. Can you do this?
Did that guy's scooter?
What? Nah,
What?
I didn't.
This?
I want to.
Is it this? You to go under the hot vehicle.
Alright, that's gonna be it for today.